Exotics. Back in here with another POV. Late night downtown drive. You dig? So we gonna really just manifest that exotic build, that exotic setup and all that while we're in our daily, you know what I'm saying, chill, cruising. So honestly, it gets to that point where you know you just hop in your car, you go on that late night drive, and you just kind of like think about what you really want to, you feel me, be doing. Like, I mean, you really have with your bill right now, but you have a, you know what I'm saying, like a dream in mind of like what you want to do. I mean, I really want to have a car that's tuned with the big ass wheels on that bit, you know what I'm saying, some big like drag type wheels, or like just maybe a lot of tires just for like drifting or something, with some like rims, like actual rims that are black instead of like having to spray paint that bit. But that's be crazy. Lowered with some like racing seats, with some like Apple CarPlay or some more technology and stuff like that. What else? Like just a lot more speed, to be honest, and be able to be rear wheel drive or be able to like launch crazy or something. Yeah, we just going downtown, I guess. My car right now is currently modded. Got like 20 extra horsepower because of the muffler delete and the tint. Let me clean the camera. Below y'all, like, comment below your like build, dream, whatever you guys are really trying to go for. I'm trying to go for like a tuned foreign type of thing. Maybe even throw a wrap on there. Like that'll be something crazy. With the wrap on there, with the crazy seats, maybe a little camera on the back. Cause you might get some content from that, or just some crazy rap on there for real too. Like right now, I'm driving a car that has like paint marks all over, like scratches and stuff. But it's like I'm cool with it, cause it's just like gets me where I gotta go. You know what I'm saying, you gotta have yourself like a car you can just, you know what I'm saying, do whatever. And I guess. Oh shit. Let me slow this bitch down. They started moving right there. I had to. See, the fact that this is front wheel drive, it'd be kind of like jumping over like the road, like kind of be sounding weird. I don't know. Let me see. There's a straightaway coming up. I'm ready. Hit this. I ain't want to do too much right there. I'm not gonna lie. We want to keep it chill. This is maybe like we are in Mexico, by the way, but we do want to make sure we get straight away, because this car can't even take off. Like that's the thing, when you're doing these type of things and you don't even got a car that can take off, like it's like, yo, you're just doomed. So yeah, I mean, it would be crazy if we got into some type of, you know, whatever, but this is all a simulation. I'm just in drive right now. I'm not even using no gears. Honestly, like, getting a muffler delete and just having, like, this Lexus in general, like, even though it's a 2010, I'm just like, yo, getting a maybe, like, luxury type of car is always worth it, for in my opinion. I'm definitely trying to go have that in my exotic build, some type of luxury. This would be crazy. all the windows up. I just got the. I don't even got the sunroof cracked. This is just how it sounds from the inside. God, what the? Hard to see the road right there. Yo, but honestly, this is what it just sounds like inside with all the windows up, sunroof closed. It's kind of chilly out. You know, in this part of Mexico, y'all know, it'd be weird. It'd be like, what's it called? Winter in the morning, then it gets to spring at like noon, then summer in the afternoon, then like fall, and then like by the time it's night again, it's back to winter. It's to winter, and it resets. Like I be having the heat and the AC on in the same day. It just depends on the time. Yeah, that's for real. But yeah, man, honestly, having a car that has this like cool inside features and technology and all that would be dope. I mean, we definitely got some technology in this one, but some more up-to-date stuff would be cool. But yo, you gotta take advantage of what you got, am I gonna lie? So what we doing right now, so we got these POVs. Let me know what y'all want to see next. But yeah, I'm ready to go ahead, slide through this town right here. I don't even know what this stuff is right here. Mexico has so many different towns in it. It's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to sport. We're not even gonna floor it for real, because this is, I mean, we floor it, we're gonna definitely lose traction, but so we gotta, like, you know how you gotta control it. You know what I'm saying? If your car, you could just straight floor it and not lose traction, that's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, that is not bad. Yo, but it's cool. So I wanted to chill, you know what I'm saying? Because you never know who might be in the cut. All it takes is them to pull out. Not that I can get off with, you know what I'm saying? Plus, even though this would be a crazy time, like, look at the traffic. I don't know if y'all can see, there's traffic up there. You gotta really be a professional. This is all a video game. There's a bunch of self-driving cars out here. Like, it's kind of crazy what world we live in, yo. Like, everything's just kind of different. Like, self-driving cars are really a thing. Like, that, I don't know. Maybe we used to dream about flying cars, but self-driving cars is crazy. You can just call them up like an Uber, and they'll come pick you up and drive. They don't go like over the speed limit though. They do be taking off. Like it's love so from me cutting up in this Lexus, bro. That's why I'm knowing. Like, imagine having the tuned car right here. You doing like, you got the gunshots going on. It's a whole bunch of popping going. It sounds good still. Last little chill lunch. I'm not even gonna really, you know what I'm saying, go too crazy. And then y'all this bit. Cool little downtown POV. I'm saying, something we can pull up to the car meets with, and it's like, you feel me? We ain't even gonna be racing like that. I'm not gonna lie. We're just gonna be on our own thing, doing our little drives. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all in the next vid.